मिस्टर विराजा महापात्रा उनके साथ फोटो सेशन करवाना चाहते हैं, फोटो शूट करवाना चाहते हैं। आप सभी लोग स्टेज पर
Thank you so much. The last group of performers, but they really touched my heart. Therefore, I would like to be photographed with them. Thank you.
Wait, sir, wait.
Excuse me, sir. Please, आप इधर आइए.
मैं okay.
Yes, close. Thank you.
Wait, sir, wait. अभी वीडियो बन रहा है।
छत पे मंडराया तो है, डूबती आंखों में कोई अक्स गहराया तो है। देखिए अंजाम क्या हो, आज एक शीशा किसी पत्थर से टकराया तो है। डूबने वाले को तिनके का सहारा ही बहुत, एक साया धुंध हल्के में नजर आया तो है। Because of Mr. Viraja Mahapatra's dedication to the cause and hard work, from a group of just 9 persons questioning themselves about the future of this program, today at least 3 lakh students, lawyers and conscious citizens across the country joining the event and pledging their loyalty to nation. Viraja's big, no doubt the success as we see today has come through the teamwork under the leadership of Mr. Mahapatra, Mr. Rajiv Saxena Khanna, Mr. S.B. Mathur, Mr. D.S. Mathur, Mrs. Sudha Pasi, no doubt ma'am, Mrs. Goyal Tracy, Mr. Rakesh Chitkara, and everybody present here. My Call, Mr. Viraja's book My Call provided the roadmap about the concept of Pledge Festival. Arch, a unique tool of mass communication through which they reach out to individuals, leaders, educators, lawyers, and thus the presence which we see today is in all parts of country. We don't know whether today it is right or beyond, it's all a guesswork for how we have seen. When we hear somewhere in remote part of Odisha in Kalahandi district, or maybe in Chhattisgarh or Bangalore, we only get to know when people send messages or reports appear in media. Sitting in Delhi, pursuing legal profession, Mr. Mahapatra, taking up this national cause for cultivating, was proud to be associated with him. Mr. Mahapatra considering each and every inch of this land as a ground of his activity. He says integrity building exercise is the only way through which a nation can be built. भारत के मुस्तकबिल विराजा महापात्रा के इस कॉज की वजह से ही हम सब आज यहाँ बैठे हुए हैं और राष्ट्र की सेवा में अंतःकरण से महापात्रा से कि वो यहाँ आए और बिल्ड इंडिया ग्रुप का कॉन्सेप्ट हम सबको बताएं और साथ ही साथ अपने ओजस्वी विचार हम सबके बीच में रखें। आप सभी लोग तालियों की गड़गड़ाहट से मिस्टर विराजा महापात्रा का स्वागत करें। मैं आप सभी लोगों से आग्रह करूंगा कि ऐसे मिस्टर विराजा महापात्रा जिन्होंने देश की सेवा में छोटे छोटे बच्चों का योगदान, युवा पीढ़ी का योगदान, जो कल की तारीख में राष्ट्र निर्माण करेगी, एक सशक्त राष्ट्र बनाएगी, उनको साथ लेकर आगे चल रहे हैं मिस्टर विराजा महापात्रा जी ने आगे।
Guests almost left. Most of the audience who were sitting in the audience at the beginning have left. So all that I will do is to end this program with a formal note of thanks. My presidential speech would be a formal vote of thanks for all of us. But be that as it may, since it's an opportunity, I would not leave this opportunity to say thanks to few names who have really made it success. First, Gandhi Smriti Darshan Society, an institution which philosophy is congruous to our kind of activity. Honorable Mr. Justice Kailash Gambhir, who stood by us. Last year he cancelled a program with the Chief Justice and said, well, this is such a program I cannot miss, and therefore he came. I will remain ever grateful to him, for this sentence remains in my heart. And every year, at the time of function, it echoes in Tara Gandhi Bhattacharya. She heard about this program. She wrote on a piece of paper, this is an excellent program, welcome it. Though most of us have left, few are here. I would like to share with you all. She not only said this, She not only directed the officials, she wrote on a piece of paper, let us facilitate, she did not have done it. The Tharati Public School presented a beautiful model before us. Prior to that, I was saying that probably Busra Rani is a role model, because she has taken to 60-70 institutions in Madhya Pradesh. But the program that has been presented by Malasur, if it is really presented across the country, I am sure it could reach out to many hundred educational institutions. We have felicitated 6 principals, 6 school heads out here. And also we are grateful that Mewar University chairperson is here, National Foundation of Communal Harmony, Dr. Lalit Kumar is here. If we really join hands, can we not put a pressure on the government to say that really we require a national pledge? The committee in 1960 constituted at the behest of Jawahar, who said that Sampurna Nam committee was there, which said that India needs a national pledge. State laws 47, 527 small big states, they constituted a state. They all joined hands and they became a state. But there is a long time it takes for any state to become a nation. So what is the difference between a nation and a state? It is something like house and a home. In a house there may be many members, but similarly, in a state there may be boundary, there may be a government. It doesn't become a nation unless its citizens develop a sense of belonging to the country. The state cannot be, and this aspect has never been dealt with by any of our political leaders after 1960 till today. Forgive me if it is my audacity, but I am putting this question before you who really matter, and please correct me in future if I am wrong. Well, if that is wrong, I have no regrets to say this, because it does a sense of pin-pricking that, well, we should go ahead. Why should we not have a national pledge? Then the $1 million question comes to you, which I have been time and again telling, that, well, by reciting Hyderabad in a country, my answer is no, by not reciting 30 words, we cannot bring about any change. That we need all the emotional content, and that emotional content actually promotes us to the nation. This endeavor is to actually cultivate good citizenry in the country, in the sense that each and every citizen in this country must have a sense of belonging to the country. Unless that happens, country will remain as a state. That is the reason why we have been traveling across the country. We have been telling people that initially our friends were not accepting these words, but today so many schools really congratulating you. Please join hands. Please spread it across the country. It is a small India, 20 lakhs today impact. 20 lakhs Delhi this year, then next year it will be an all India event. Quite hopeful. Though I cannot say which year. Thank you all. Once again, I am really grateful to all who have finally given an audience to me, who really matter here. Thank you. Thank you.
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद आप सबको का।
आप ही का तो नहीं
belonging from neighborhood science